Welcome guys. Let's do Polygon Matic technical analysis and price prediction for 2021, and let me please show you my charts and my targets. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And if you want to get these bonuses, $4,300 bonus of Pmex, Binance and Bybit exchanges, just go to in this video's comment section where you can get a pin message and these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get these bonuses. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you some information. After that I am going to show you the charts. Polygon Matic current rank is 19 and current price of Polygon Matic is $1.43. Market cap of Polygon Matic is $9.2 billion, which is very huge. Circulating supply of Polygon Matic is 6.4 billion. Total supply of Matic is 10 billion. Here you can see, and this is the website. I will show you this website after some time. Let me please show you first some statistics. This is Polygon Matic maximum chart, and here you can see on Saturday 27 April 2019 the price of the Polygon Matic was $0.005, and after that price goes to $2.62. And let me please show you all-time high of this token. All-time high of Matic is $2.62, and it was on May 18, 2021, about 3 months ago. And all-time low of this token was on May 10, 2019, about over 2 years ago, and price was $0.0031 just. And after that, here you can see $2.72 is the top of this token. These are the website. These are the exchanges where you can get this token: Binance, Bitcoin Exchange, and HitBTC, DigiFinex, and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token or trade this token on Bybit or Binance, link is in this video's description. And let me please show you the website. This is the Polygon Matic website, Ethereum Internet of Blockchain. Actually, it is a solution of Ethereum blockchains, and here you can see bullet by developers for developers, and here you can see Ethereum is the blockchain developed platform of choice, but it has limitations: low throughput, poor gas, and some other difficulties members are facing. And here you can see these are the features of the Polygon Matic. You can visit this website by own, and this project is very huge, and this is the team of this project. Please do your own research before buying or investing in this token. This video is just for informational purpose only. And let me please show you the charts. This is Polygon Matic 4-hour chart, and it was in this ascending channel. And if I zoom this, let me please show you. And if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. Here you can see this is the upper trend line, several touches, several touches, several touches, and several touches. This is downtrend line, and this is downtrend line. But unfortunately, Polygon Matic break this upper trend line to upper ascending channel towards downside, and that is not a good sign. Now, what is next? The next area of this support for this token is this area, and it is at $1.35 price area. Polygon Matic have to hold this area. If Polygon Matic hold this area, then well and good. Otherwise, it will go down. And next support area for the Matic is this level. Let me please zoom this. This level, $1.16. Polygon Matic have to hold this area very tightly, $1.35. Otherwise, $1.16 is the target. But there, let me please show you one thing very clearly, and you can see it is creating a head and shoulder pattern. Let me please zoom this and let me please show you. But first I have to show you some targets. Let me please remove these drawings. And this is the horizontal resistance area, and this is the horizontal support area. And let me please show you the target. First I have to show you the minimum immediate short-term target. If Matic hold this area, in that case this is very strong support line for the Matic. In that case Next target will be like this, 2.4 cents. This is the target. Matic can hit this target. This is the target. 2.4, or you can say $2.6 is the immediate short-term target. If Matic unfortunately break this towards downside, then immediate short-term target for the Polygon Matic is this area. This area is very, very important. This area, $1.17, $1.16, this area is very, very important. And Matic have to hold this area very, very tightly, otherwise it can go down to $1.17, maybe this into this area, and it is at $1 price area. And let me please arrange this. This is. If you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. And let me please show you my daily chart. This is Matic daily chart, and here you can see after it, creating a top of $2.75, Matic is now at $1.42. If Matic hold this area $1.24 in daily chart, that is good. Here you can see several bounces. Matic price touched this area, and after that price bounced back. But there is a horizontal resistance waiting for the Matic, is that $1.69 price area. And let me please change the color of this support zone. If you still not subscribed, please subscribe me and give me favor and like this video too. Here you can see these yellow lines are support area in daily chart, and these white lines are horizontal resistance area in daily chart. If Matic hold this area, well and good, $1.24, $1.25. If Matic break this area, if Matic price break this area, in that case $0.90 is the target, and it can go down to $0.90. And if Matic hold this area and break horizontal resistance of $1.70 and close daily candle above this area, please watch this video complete, because I will show you the target of 2021 of this bull run in this video. So please watch this video until end. $2.24 will be the target once Matic break this horizontal resistance of $1.70. In that case, $2.24 will be the target, and we have to wait and we have to watch it very, very clearly. And let me please show you 4 hourly chart, and let me please show you another pattern in Matic. And here you can see, let me please show you. Matic is actually creating a head and shoulder pattern. This is the head, and this is the shoulder, and this is also a shoulder. And if Matic price move like this, in that case this will be a perfect shoulder, and the resistance support line for this head and shoulder pattern will be this. You can say the neckline of this head and shoulder will be $1.28. And if unfortunately Matic price break this $1.28 area, in that case price of the Matic can go down to, let me please show you, I have to calculate this area. In that case price of the Matic can go down to this area. $0.84 price area. If this head and shoulder create, if Matic price create this and break this head and shoulder, this neckline, in that case this will be the target $0.85, and that is not a good sign for Matic holders. So be careful. And I think Matic have to go towards upside, but if Matic price goes down, in that case this will be the expected target of this head and shoulder pattern. And let me convert it into weekly chart, and let me please show you what are the things we can see in weekly chart. Let me please zoom this again. Here you can see after creating this top, Matic is struggling to hold this area, but unfortunately Matic price reject from that zone, $1.70 price area, and after that price is at $1.41 price. and let me please hold this. And this is also a strong support zone for Matic, $1.5 or $1.3 you can say, and it is support zone for the Matic. And in weekly chart, in weekly these levels are very important, 1.3 and 1.03 and $1.71. These are very important. Once Matic price break this, and let me please show you. Once Matic price break this area, 1.74, $1.75 and close weekly candle above this, in that case our weekly target according to the support and resistance base will be like this, $2.43, and this will be awesome. And we have to wait and we have to watch it very clearly. Now I am going to show you the expected target of 2021 for this token Matic. Let me please hide these remove all these drawings, and let me please arrange this chart again. Here you can see Matic price was Matic was available in very low price in cents, 0.3 cents, 0.025 and other price area, and after that Matic rally begins and price hits $2.70. And if I calculate this from top to bottom and from Fib retracement tool, this is simple Fib retracement tool. After that I will show you the target of 2021 for the Matic. Here you can say Matic price have to hold this 0.5 Fibonacci level very tightly, and it is at $1.35. If Matic price break this 0.5 area, in that case 0.61 golden pocket will be the target, and price can go down to $1.05. And after that this area 0.78 Fibonacci level, 0.57. I don't think price of the Matic will go down to hit this area and this area, but this area is very important, $1.05. You can say $1.05. But currently Matic have to hold this zone, and it is at 0.5, and it is very important. Once Matic price hold this area, in that case our next target according to the Fib retracement levels is 0.23, and the price target is 2.10 cents. Here you can see $2.10 will be the target once Matic hold this area and break this horizontal resistance, which is at $1.70 to $1.75 price area. In that case next level is $2.10 is the target. Let me please remove this. And friends, if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. And please share this video with all of your friends, and please hit the like button right now. I have to delete this, and after that I will show you the targets. If I draw this, and if I took this tool, Fib retracement trend tool, and after that I have to put it on the top where price of the Matic rejected, and after that I have to put it on the bottom of this coin. And let me please arrange this chart, and let me please show you the targets. Because I want to see you clearly, that is why I am arranging this chart for you. Here you can see, according to the Fib retracement trend tool, price of the Matic was rejected from 0.78, and it is at price was $2.75, and now it is in between this area 0.23 and 0.38, and price is at $1.41. If Matic price break this area, in that case $1.90. After that 0.61 golden pocket, $2.17. But let me please show you the target of 2021. I think Matic can hit this target very easily, and this will be the target, $5 to $7. Matic can hit this target. This is my target for 2021. Matic can hit this area maybe $5, maybe $7. It is the realistic, very realistic target for the Matic, Polygon Matic, and price can move. Maybe price can hit $5, $6, maybe $7, but this is the target, 2.6 pip level, and target will be $7. $5 to $7 is the target for the Matic. Minimum is the $5 and maximum is the $7. And I hope you like this video. This is my technical analysis. I show you all things very clearly. And if you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, like this video, share this video with all of your friends. And if you want to favor this channel, and if you want to create your accounts, in that case, go to in this video's comment section, in this video's description, where you can get these links and where you can get $4,300 bonus of Phemex, Binance and Bybit exchanges, $2,000 bonus of Phemex exchange, $710 bonus of Binance exchange, and $1,600 bonus of Bybit exchanges. But for this, you have to deposit first. After that, you can get these bonuses, and which are tradable and withdrawable too. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.